You can go on this platform which I will tell you later. Guys, here you can see some screenshots. You can make chatting application, videos, reel sharing application, map, game and many more. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can type here your name and you will have to select your country. Now you can type here your email address and password. You can click here to accept its terms and conditions. And at last you can click on send button. Guys, I have already created account on this platform. I'm going to log in. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. This platform's name is appcreator24.com. You can click on create app button. Now you can type your app name. You can select your app icon. You can click on choose from gallery button. Here you can see there are a lot of app icon. You can select any of this icon. Now select your language. You can select any of this language. Type your app description. After typing description, you can click on next button. Now select your style for the app. You can select any of this style. Click on next button. Now click on create an empathy app button. Click on go to app manager button. Now click on general info button. Now you can click on name and icon button. Type your package name. This package name should be unique. Scroll down. You can add your app icon. You can select your notification icon. Now you can type your AdMob app ID. And at last you can click on save button. Click on OK button. Now click on sections button. Click on create section button. Scroll down. Select your game option. Type your section title. Now click on select button. Guys, here you can see there are a lot of games. You can select any of this game. I'm going to select here this game, Math vs Bat. Click on select button. Scroll down. Click on save button. Guys, here you can see they are saying you will have to enable location permission option. You can click on name and icon button. Scroll down. Here you can see include permission to user location. You can select your yes option. Click on save button. Click on OK button. Now click on sections button. Yeah, here we go. I have added successfully one game on my application. Now click on download app button. Click here to download this application. Guys, here you can see my app is downloading. This app is in APK format. Now I'm going to install this app in my Android device. Guys, here you can see my app is working well. After making app, you can publish this app on App Store. You can publish this app on Google Play Store, Amazon App Store, Vivo App Store, Oppo App Store and many more. Guys, I have written hidden secrets to get success on AdMob ebook. Here you can see table of contents. You will learn about how to create AdMob account, how to get approval, how to verify identity, how to add bank details in AdMob, and how to receive payment, how to get audience and many more. You can check description of this tutorial. I have given URL of this website. You can click on that URL to visit on this website. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.